Chapter 7: Symmetry, Pattern and Nets. Hello dear students, welcome back to our maths learning class. Look around you carefully. Have you ever noticed the beautiful wings of a butterfly? Have you observed how flower petals look the same on both sides? Have you wondered how boxes and packages are made from flat sheets? All these are examples of symmetry, patterns and nets. Today, we will learn how shapes can be divided into equal halves, how patterns are formed, and how 3D shapes are made using nets. Let's begin our exciting learning journey. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify symmetrical figures, draw lines of symmetry, understand rotational symmetry, recognize and create patterns, identify 3D shapes and their nets. Part 1. Line of symmetry. What is symmetry? When a figure can be divided into two equal halves that look exactly the same, it is called a symmetrical figure. Line of symmetry. The line that divides a figure into two equal symmetrical halves is called the line of symmetry. Examples: square, rectangle, some triangles, flowers and leaves. Important fact: some shapes have more than one line of symmetry. For example, square, 4 lines of symmetry, rectangle, 2 lines of symmetry. Part 2. Rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? When a shape looks the same after it is rotated around a fixed point, it is called rotational symmetry. Types of rotation: quarter turn, rotation of 90 degrees, half turn, rotation of 180 degrees, full turn, rotation of 360 degrees. Shapes like square and circle show rotational symmetry. Part 3. Patterns around us. What is pattern? A pattern is a repeated arrangement of shapes, colors, numbers, or letters. Types of patterns: shape patterns, color patterns, number patterns, letter patterns. Unit of repeat. The smallest part of a pattern that repeats again and again is called the unit of repeat. Part 4. Progressive patterns. A pattern that grows or increases is called a progressive or growing pattern. Examples: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Part 5. Number patterns. A number pattern is a sequence of numbers formed using a rule. Examples: even numbers, odd numbers, addition and subtraction patterns. Students also learn special patterns like triangular number patterns, square number patterns. Part 6. Nets of 3D shapes. What is a net? A net is the flat shape formed when a 3D figure is unfolded. It shows all faces of the figure. Net of cube shows 6 square faces. Net of cuboid shows rectangular faces. Net of cylinder includes circular base and curved surface. Net of cone includes circular base and curved surface. Part 7. Drawing 3D shapes. Students learn simple steps to draw cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. These shapes are created using basic 2D shapes like squares, rectangles, and circles. Part 8. Activities and projects. Students can fold paper shapes to understand symmetry, create rangoli or tile patterns, draw repeating patterns, make paper nets of cube and cuboid, create matchbox 3D models. Part 9. Case study learning. Example: Anya decorates her room using square, rectangular, and triangular tiles. Students can learn which shapes are symmetrical, why symmetry makes designs beautiful, identify symmetrical objects around them. Value learning. Symmetry and patterns help us understand nature's beauty and order. From butterfly wings to building designs, symmetry makes things attractive and balanced. Summary. Today we learned symmetry and line of symmetry, rotational symmetry, patterns and unit of repeat, progressive and number patterns, nets of 3D shapes, drawing 3D figures. Symmetry and patterns are everywhere around us, in nature, art, and architecture. Observe shapes around you, notice patterns, and try making your own designs. Mathematics becomes fun when we connect it with real life. Keep practicing and keep exploring. See you in the next lesson, students. Happy learning!